Hi friends, welcome to my channel Mathematics Lessons with Sharif. In this video we are going to cover a simple formula based on areas related to circle. So you have the question on your screen, what is the area of minor segment of a circle? For example, if you have a circle like this, okay, so if I take a chord, if I name this chord as PQ, this chord PQ divides the circle into two segments. The upper region, which is larger in area, is called larger segment, and the lower one is having smaller area is called this area, that is the smaller segment, minor segment. So we are going to find the area of the smaller segment. For example, let us suppose this is a circle of radius r. So OP is small r, and similarly OQ is also small r. OP and OQ are nothing but the radius of the circle r, and let us suppose O is the center of the circle. If you drop a perpendicular from center to the chord PQ, it bisects the chord. We know very well it is the perpendicular drop from center to the chord, and let us suppose this point is L. Now the sectorial angle is theta, so this perpendicular will bisect the angle at the center, that is, if the total angle is theta, this angle will be theta by 2, and this angle is also theta by 2. So total angle we have assumed as theta, so both of them are half of the theta, so theta by 2 and theta by 2. So we have to find the area of the minor segment. So area of the minor segment, area of minor segment which you are seeing, observing on the screen, is given by, how to find that area is the thing that we are going to see in this problem. Area of the minor segment equal to area of the sector, so we have to remove the area of sector minus area of triangle OPQ. So area of triangle OPQ. So we have to remove the area of triangle from the area of the sector OPQ. So what is the formula for area of the sector? So that is nothing but theta by 360 degrees into pi r square. So this is the area of the sector, we know very well, minus. So what is that area of triangle OPQ? That is half base into height. Half base is nothing but PQ and height is nothing but OL. Now that equal to pi theta r square upon 360 degrees minus half. So this is PQ. I am writing PQ as twice PL. Why I have written twice PL? Because the perpendicular dropped from center to the chord, any chord of the circle will bisect the chord. So this length PL is equal to this length LQ. So PL will be twice, PQ will be twice PL, and OL is nothing but the length of perpendicular from origin. So we will do one more thing here. So that equal to, so pi r square theta upon 360 degrees minus half into, you can cancel 2 and 2. So if you cancel 2 and 2 here, you are having only PL. So PL is nothing but, if I apply sin theta in this triangle OPL, if you take the triangle OPL, in the triangle if you apply sin theta by 2, opposite side upon hypotenuse. So opposite is PL, hypotenuse is R. So sin theta by 2 equal to PL by R, PL equal to R sin theta by 2. So I can write this is R sin theta by 2. Similarly, if you write cos theta by 2 in the same triangle, in this triangle if you take cos theta by 2, adjacent side is OL, upon r. So r cos theta by 2 equal to OL. So I can replace OL as r cos theta by 2. Now r into r will get r square, and that r square will come as common factor from this expression. So then what happens, what is remaining here? So pi theta upon 360 degrees minus sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 whole multiplied by r square. So this formula will give you the area of the minor segment of any circle with radius r, and theta is the sectorial angle. I hope you understand my video, understand the concept. You can use this formula to find the area of this minor segment. So we have found this area that you are seeing on the screen. We found this area. This is the area we have found, minor segment. If anybody asks you how to find the major segment area of major segment, then you have to, if you name this area as A, area of minor segment as A, if anybody asks you how to find the major segment, area of major segment, then what you have to do? You have to subtract this minor segment area from the total area of the circle. Area of circle is pi r square minus A. This will give you the area of the major segment. So whenever a chord divides the circle into two segments, minor segment and major segments, with the sectorial angle given and radius given, you can find both the areas of minor segment and major segment. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Stay connected, and please press the bell icon to get the notification whenever I will make videos from class 10th and class 12. Thank you for watching once again. Bye bye. Take care.